Since the Industry Revolution, we have seen a sharp increase in CO2 emission, melting glaciers, and a rising sea level. Polar bears are losing their homes. Do you know that fossil fuel generated over 70% of the world's electricity? Power consumption will continue to rise as the intelligent world develops. How can we give our children a future with blue sky, alternative energy source, saving energy from nature for nature? In China's Guangdong province, there is a house that shines with the sun. Every year, it can generate 36,000 kilowatt-hours of green electricity, which covers its own usage, avoiding 17 tons of CO2 a year. This is the equivalent of planting 925 trees. In Greece Carpathians, Huawei brought solar power to site using the outdoor integrated intelligent site solution. This has helped consumers cut their site's power consumption by 51.2%, which saved 14,500 kilowatt-hours per site, and reduced carbon emission by 10 tons. In Shandong, China, at the world's largest fishery solar plant, solar power is generated above, while fish swim below. This farm has a construction capacity of 300 megawatts and will have a power generation capacity of 10.5 billion kilowatt-hours in 25 years, equivalent to 3.5 million tons of standard coal. Huawei Smart PV solutions have contributed 325 billion kilowatt-hours of green electricity. It's like giving 220 million trees back to the planet. This is what Huawei is doing now.